Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up a DKIM key in Salesforce. This is an essential security measure that helps authenticate your emails and prevents them from being marked as spam. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to the setup area of Salesforce, look towards the top right corner of your screen, and click on the gear icon. This will take you into the setup menu where you can configure all your Salesforce settings. Once you're in the setup area, you'll see a quick find search box on the left side of your screen. Go ahead and type DKIM keys into this search box. This will filter down the available options and help you quickly locate what you need. From the filtered results, click on DKIM keys under the email section. This is where Salesforce stores all the settings related to email authentication and security. Now you're ready to generate your new key. Click on the Create New Key button to begin the setup process. This will open up a form where you'll enter the specific details for your DKIM key in the domain field. Type your domain name. For example, if your website is yourdomain.com, that's exactly what you'd enter here. Make sure you enter this correctly as it needs to match your sending domain precisely. Next, you'll need to provide a name for your DKIM selector in the selector field. This is essentially a label that helps identify this specific key. You might type something like Salesforce 2024 to keep it organized and easy to recognize later. Now it's time to choose your key size. You'll see options for different bit sizes, and I recommend selecting either 1024-bit or 2048-bit for optimal security. The higher the number, the stronger your encryption will be. In the Domain Match Pattern field, select Exact Domain Only for most standard setups. This ensures that the DKIM signature only applies to your specific domain and provides the most accurate authentication. Finally, click Save to generate your DKIM key. Salesforce will now create the key and provide you with DNS records that you'll need to add to your domain's DNS settings. You've now successfully created your DKIM key in Salesforce, which will significantly improve your email deliverability and security. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.